Hi, I'm Sarah, and I can't wait to invite you to our digital edition of the Virtual Crop this weekend starting November 20th at 9 a.m. We will have 5 digital scrapbooking challenges for you to follow along and create wonderful custom products for you and your loved ones. If you're new to digital, don't worry. Our challenge demos are for all skill levels and will walk through the basics and teach the digital savvy a few new tricks too. The best part? When you register yourself and a friend at the link provided, we're giving you both an exclusive free digital North Pole Magic Kit. That's right, a free digital artwork kit full of festive designs that you can use at the crop and beyond. If you have more than one friend that you want to invite, you can simply add email addresses separated with commas in the friend address field in the registration form, or have your friends sign up with another. Customers and advisors are welcome to invite any scrapbooking friends of theirs at any level. And remember, now couldn't be a better time to get started on your custom projects. All of our Black Friday pricing is available, and digital spend get offers are available now too. So get your photos uploaded and register today. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you and your friends at the crop.